Post-surgery care for incisional hernia repair. Ensure optimal healing and prevent complications after incisional hernia repair with these tips.
Don't put pressure inside your belly to avoid pain and keep the mesh from getting messed up. Avoid coughing. If you have a sore throat, visit your doctor. She will give you some medicine to help reduce it. Avoid straining during bowel movements. If you have trouble, contact your doctor. Avoid lifting heavy weights, as it can put pressure on your abdomen and potentially cause your mesh to rupture. If you gain weight, the mesh may tear because it cannot stretch like your skin can. Opt for light and nutritious meals, incorporating protein to promote healthy muscle mass. Begin with light exercises such as walking to help maintain your weight. Wear a belt to support your abdomen, ensuring it is positioned over the hernia for proper support.
For more details, connect with Dr. Tulip's Tots at 988 613 9999.